Today I'm going to be fitting a tow bar to my Skoda Felicia pickup truck. It's going to be a fiddly one, this. Let's get into it. First things first, let's get it up in the air and see what's going on underneath the car. Okay, I'm going to get under the car and show you what we're working with here and how odd this setup is. The tow bar itself, right, bolts up like a normal one. It sits up on the inside of these chassis legs, right, up on the inside, okay? And you've got to put the bolt through it into the existing holes, which are there and up in this corner, right? But the bolts, there's no nut or anything inside. Where's the hole gone? I've lost the hole. There it is. There's the hole there. There's no things. So what you've actually got to do is you get these, which has got the nut on it, and you've got to put the nut. You've got to push that up there and line it up with a hole, and then you've got to try and hold it in place whilst putting the bolt through into the nut. That's what you've got to do, up into there. So I'm going to lift this up into place and just have a go at this. Bear with me. Okay, I'm not sure what you can see, but I've now got to try and get this tow bar up into place. Right, up there, into place. Right, will it go over this exhaust bracket? Oh, it's stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck on this freaking exhaust bracket. This stupid exhaust bracket is... There we go, we're in. Right. Do they line up? Where's the hole? Right, there we go. Does this bolt hole line up? Yes, okay. We can put these in for now, just to hold it in place while I get it where it needs to go. Wow. Okay. And now, I don't know what you're catching here. I don't know what you're catching. I've managed to get it up into place. Now I'm going to try and hold this up, get a nut, get a lock washer, get one of them. Now I need to get this up in the hole, and that's through all at the same time. Wish me luck. Does that line up? Where's the hole? There. Oh, that hole doesn't line up. Are you shitting me? Are you actually shitting me? Oh, it does. It does line up. Okay. Okay, let's back it off. Just waiting for this to fall on my face and break my nose. All right, lock washer. Oh, how are you supposed to see where this lines up? Oh, did that go in? No. Oh, I got it. I can't believe I did that. I managed to get it. I don't know how I'm going to get this one to line up at all. How? Is there longer ones? Are they all the same size? What the hell? How? Ah, rust in the eye. Ah, big chunks of stuff in my eye. I just love it. Oh, this is fiddly as hell. How the hell are you supposed to do this? This is impossible. How the hell am I supposed to get that up there? Right, let's have a go at doing this side. Got these ones in. Right. Now, if we do these ones up, just to hold it while we line up the other holes. You'll have to cut these down. I'm gonna have to cut the top of these off because these will not go up far enough that's hitting the top of the chassis before I get anywhere near the bolt hole, so I'm going to have to cut these down. Okay, I've had to cut these down like that because these were going up inside the gap and hitting the top, but the bolt wasn't getting there, it wasn't lining up yet. So let's try these, which are very hot. Let's now try these like that. Ouch, that was very hot on my head. Stupid angle down, for God's sake.
A few moments later.
Oh, the fucking drill's dead now. Come on. Oh my God, why wouldn't you just take? Oh my God. I got it. I freaking got it. Yes. Yes. Fucking thing. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah, I'm bleeding. Per usual. I got it. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank God. Oh, I got it. Wow. Wow. Right, let me show you what I'm working with here. We had to get this up here with the nut on the other side and then get that bolt through whilst holding this up. This one, look how far up that is. I had to try and hold that. Can't even get my fingers on it now. I had to try and hold that and get the nut perfectly aligned with a nut that, you can't even see it, a nut that was up there. See that? Yeah. Wow. That was a mission on this side. Look, took chunks out of me bloody hand, look. Because of this bloody exhaust hanger. Now I need to get this exhaust hung back on there. Okay, this is a bit where we go to put the bar on, you know, this bit, and realise it doesn't fit the car properly at all. Let's try it on. So that goes there. Oh, it does fit perfectly in the little round bit. Look at that. Right. So we got 5 of these bits in it. That's what we got. So let's get that on there, that through there. Let's put that bolt through that one too. There we go. Look at that. That fits perfectly in this little divot thing. And under here, this tripod's too big. I'll show you in a bit. Right, that's on there. Right, now we need to get a lock wash. No, now we need to get a washer. A washer. A lock washer. A lock washer. Okay, let's ratchet this bad boy up. Let's do the back one first. Okay. Hold on. Great. There we go. Okay. Right, here we go. Towbar now on. That's under there. That goes through that bolt on the front, holds that. That bolt goes through there. Nuts on the other side. Job is a good one. Job is a good one. Oh, right. Now then. That is that now. Never want to do the electrics. What is going on the side of my head? Wow. And my nose. Oh well, right. Onto the electrics.
The next day.
If you want to help support the channel, don't forget to hit the thanks button where you can send me a super like. It really helps support the channel, and then your comments will be highlighted when you speak to me, so everybody will know you are a VIP.
Right, now onto the wiring. The 7-pin adapter plug majiggy for to plug it in so the caravan actually has lights on the back. The kit that came with my Towbar, I'm not going to use it because it's like a European one. None of the colours are right, and it's just, it wants me to have this box that goes up there. It's just, I'm just going to wire straight to the rear lights. So what I've got to do here is, this is the one, I've ordered a new one with the correct colours, which are like red, yellow, blue, white, green, brown, black. That's the correct colours, I know. It came on this metal plate, which I'm going to have to remove because I don't need to use that because there's one already attached to the Towbar. So first things first, hopefully that wire is going to reach from where it is to there. Might have to drill a hole in the floor or something. I don't know where I'm going to run this. But first things first, let's put this aside. So I'm not going to take this cover off because it's a pain in the ass to get it back on. So first things first, I'm going to undo the 4 screws that are holding this plate on, and the wiring for the rear lights should be behind that panel. It's quite tight in here. Let's undo this panel. Okay, one is behind here. All the wiring for the lights. Happy days. Right, that's what we want. How do I get this thing out? Oh, like that, you break it. How do you get this out? But that's the wiring for the lights. That's the loom I cut through further down. It's very yellow under here. Oh god, it's hot as well. Right, hang on. This is what we're working with inside this panel. Oh my god. Right, just checking for rust. Right, we've got the wires for the rear lights. So I'm going to take the rear light off here, and then I can see which colour wire goes to what bulb, so I know which wire does what. That's the way I'm going to do it anyway. So yes, I also need to find a place. Oh, is there a hole there? I also need to find a place where I can run this wire into here from the Towbar. First things first, I'm going to get this rear light off, then I'm going to pull this tape off of here so I know where I can splice into. Right, light is off, 2 bolts, 2 screws, sorry, one there, light is out, and as you can see, each bulb has a different colour wire going to it. That way I know which colour wire does what, and by looking at the front of the light and by putting the lights on and indicators on and stuff, I know which wire is what colour. So this is the colours in the diagram for the wire for the socket, the 7-pin plug thing majiggy. Oh, I'm losing my mind today. These are the colours here. As you can see, each thing on the plug has a specific colour telling me which one's what. So now we need to find a route for the wire to go into the back of the cab, and then we need to find the right wires and then splice them in using these little plug things. They just click onto the wire. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to try and find a place to put this wire. Okay, after looking under the truck and stuff, I'm trying to figure out a route for the wire to come from the Towbar, which is under there. I think the easiest route is probably going to be coming up through here. So I may as well just splice them straight to these. That would be easier. The wires are here, the colours are there. I can just run the splice straight to them. I think that would be a lot easier. So that's what I'm going to do. This is the thing. I've unscrewed it from the, what do you call it? That wire can go through there. You want this flap at the bottom. If I can get them through. Oh crap. If I can get them to go through there, I can just spiral it around the Towbar, would be nice. I've got the wire up here, just trying to get it up here with my hand. I can feel the end of it, can't grab it. I've got it. got it. Right, there we go. Now, let's find a decent route for it. Need to figure out what light is what. I know that's the indicator. Right, we've got these little blue clip things that you find the wire, you put that over that wire, you slide that wire in, crimp it, and it's attached. I can hear everybody in the comments screaming at me right now going, don't use them bloody things, they're shit. I don't care. Alright? I don't care. Just do it that way. Right. Okay, I've got to remember what colours are what now. I know that's the indicator. So let's do that first. Okay, I've just remembered something. If I wire to this side, what am I going to do about the right hand side indicator? I need power from that as well, don't I? Damn, I forgot about that. I can do all of it from here, apart from the right hand indicator. So I need to take that light off and figure out which colour the indicator is on the other side. This side, the indicator is black. Let's see what the other side's saying. It's also black. Oh, that helps loads. Not. I think the wire splits here, goes down there, that way. Ah, right, so all I've got to do is split the wire there, and I should be able to find the black wire that goes to that side. Okay, let's unplug this a minute. It makes things a lot easier. Right, we need to find, oh, thanks for giving me lots of slack on this wire. That's going to be great. Now, we need to find the black wire that goes to the other side.
A few moments later.
Okay, we've got all of the wires spliced into all the lights. I'm praying to God that I've got it right, because I've not tested it. I'll test it in a minute, and then we'll see if I've got it right or not. But for now, let's put this back together.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's all back together. Everything's done up. Moment of truth. I'm just going to back my van up to the caravan, see what happens. Okay, I have my wonderful assistant in the car. All right, try brake lights first. Yes. Hit the normal lights. No. I have an indicator on. Indicate the other way. Right, turn the lights off. Indicate right. Damn it. Ah. Oh. Okay, try. So brake lights work. Okay, normal lights on. They do come on, but an indicator comes on with it. Okay, something wrong there. Okay, I'm gonna have to have a look at that. Oh, God's sake, right, back to the wiring.
The next day.
Okay, after a little bit of rewiring, for some reason the wires on the left that were meant to be the colours on the right weren't translating across. I've tried to figure it out, I don't know what's going on with that. So what I've done instead was I butchered the kit that came with this car, the one I didn't use, to use some of the wires. And what I've done was I took the wire straight from the back of the where the bulb holder is, from that wire, run a wire through the bumper up to here for the right hand side light and the right hand indicator to here. It's all done now. Now fingers crossed, let's go test it out on the caravan and see if it works now. Okay, my fabulous assistant is in. Well, let's do brake lights first. Yes. Let's put the lights on. Yes, we have lights. Indicate left. Yep, indicate right. Yes. Put the lights on and indicate at the same time. Hazards, yep. Turn the lights off. Indicate left. Indicate right. By Job, we've done it. And there we have it. We now have a tow bar fitted to my rat truck. So we can take that to shows and this to shows, show it off, and happy days. Cheers for watching, peeps. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff. And we've got something coming up about this soon. Yes. Could be a swap on the table. Another swap. Stay tuned for that.